Welcome to Bike Rush, where powerful machines and bold engineering meet. Today's focus is the 2026 Honda Fury 1300, a modern factory custom cruiser built to deliver raw attitude, smooth performance, and unmistakable street presence. This redesigned Fury pushes Honda's custom line into a new era with sharper style, improved comfort, and a stronger engine that defines what a true chopper-inspired cruiser should feel like. The 2026 Fury 1300 continues its legacy with an elongated stance, stretched rake, and iconic chopper silhouette, but now refined with more premium detailing. Honda reshapes the fuel tank with deeper contours, giving the bike a more sculpted identity. Updated LED lighting across the headlamp, indicators, and tail section adds a modern edge without losing the classic custom vibe. The frame receives reinforced geometry, improving stability while preserving the long, low attitude that riders love. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Fury lies a completely revised 1,300 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine. Honda tunes this power plant for stronger low-end torque, smoother mid-range pull, and more efficient combustion. The throttle response feels more direct, making city cruising effortless and highway acceleration instantly satisfying. A redesigned exhaust system not only boosts performance but also deepens the signature V-twin growl, giving the Fury a voice that matches its aggressive appearance. The 2026 Fury 1300 refines handling with improved suspension tuning. The front telescopic fork is calibrated for better damping over rough roads, while the rear monoshock now offers adjustable preload. These enhancements help the bike maintain comfort without sacrificing its laid-back cruiser feel. The long wheelbase remains a key characteristic, providing a stable, confident ride, especially at cruising speeds. Riders will immediately notice the ease of control and low-speed maneuvering, an area Honda carefully optimized. Honda equips the Fury 1300 with a SD. Rider comfort receives significant attention in this 2026 update. The saddle is redesigned with denser foam layering, offering better support for long-distance cruising. The handlebar position remains relaxed, placing the rider in a balanced posture ideal for extended trips. Forward-set foot controls enhance the stretched-out riding style, staying true to the Fury's chopper DNA. Passenger comfort is also improved, with an optional upgraded seat and accessory backrest for better support on longer rides. Honda's craftsmanship is evident in every panel and weld of the 2026 Fury 1300. The metalwork feels more refined, the paint quality is deeper, and the finishing shows Honda's consistent attention to premium detail. Chrome accents highlight the engine and controls, while the frame's color-matched sections integrate smoothly into the bike's overall design. This model elevates factory customization, giving riders the feel of a handmade custom cruiser straight from the showroom. Despite its powerful 1,300 cubic centimeters displacement, the Fury benefits from Honda's efficiency improvements. The updated engine mapping increases fuel economy, making long rides more cost-effective. The bike's cooling system is also enhanced for better performance during extended city commutes or hot weather rides. With its combination of performance and practicality, the Fury 1300 becomes a versatile cruiser suitable for both weekend adventures and daily road use. True to its identity, the 2026 Honda Fury 1300 remains a platform built for personal expression. Honda releases a broader range of official accessories, including custom handlebars, premium saddles, exhaust options, and color kits. The bike's open frame and simple layout make aftermarket customization easier than ever, enabling riders to tailor the Fury into anything from a clean showpiece to a long-haul touring setup. The 2026 Honda Fury 1300 stands as a bold return to Honda's custom roots. With stronger performance, modern features, improved